Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is about Macy's, ticker symbol is M. Macy will have a earning report I think on 25th, and I want to talk about the chart setup, what should be expected during the earning and how we can get some benefit, looking at the support and resistance at the same time, if we can play some call option and get some quick money. So this is not a new stock. I talked about Macy's, you see, on back in January 10th, I think, when the stock price was around $11-12. And once we made the video, then we made some good profit. You see, like once we made the video $12, then it went up to like 13-14, came down, and then it went up to $22, then it again came down. So we made a lot of money on this place. So when it came down, I re-entered again around this area, and currently I'm holding, and you can see there is an earning sign here, which means on 23rd February they will have an earning. So I will come back to the chart later, but again, like this is such a stock, like it's a good one, right? You know, all the short squeeze happened, so at that time that one went like $16 to $23, and I had a call option, so I made a huge money on this particular one. Anyway, so let's look at news that Macy to report fourth quarter and full year 2020 results and provide an update on its strategy. And the date they're talking is like Tuesday, February 23rd, opening of the market. So Monday is tomorrow, which is the last day if you want to place any kind of call or share option. Also look at their previous earning. Wonderful, right? Q1 2020 beat, met, beat. So if you look at their 4 earning, like these are all good, right? Especially if the last 2 things you see, like how high it is. So this is good. And we also know they have been closing many stores which are not profitable, and also they're investing more heavily on the online side. So I'm expecting some good result due to earning. And so how we can get some benefit, we can see tomorrow, Monday, maybe we can get a run up, we can get some quick profit. Also, if there's a good earning, then we can also get good benefit. And this particular stock is reminding me Bed Bath Beyond, like we entered at near the support, then after the earning was not great, but after the earning, then we slowly started going up and up and up. From $18, that stock price went up to $55, I guess. Anyway, so let's look at Macy, because one thing I want to show you, the short float is around 17%. So 17% is a short float. So if there is something that could be some short squeeze, and you can see the chart, like suddenly like it went from $16 to $23 when the short squeeze mania was happening. Okay, so looking at the chart, what we can see that the stock, like there's a support around $14, and there's a falling wedge, and last Friday it actually broke out, and you see how strong is the breakout. Like you see there is no upper wick. So we started the day here, came down a little bit, then we are trying to push up. Now we are above that black line, that the falling wedge channel, and Monday is the day before the earning release. So I think Monday we will go even higher. And let's see support and resistance. I think this is one resistance around 15.7 or $16. The other one would be definitely around $17, right? So chances are before the earning we can hit that 15.72 mark. Currently we are sitting around 15. If there is a good earning, we can go up to 17, and who knows, maybe around 17-18. It all depends how the earning will be. But let's look at a 5-minute chart now and see how we did on Friday. You see the volume here, right? Like look at 19, the volume, like it's trying to push up, and again the volume on a 5-minute candle. So we can see that the stock price on 18th, the super red day on Thursday, it came down, it bounced off that 13.94, and Friday we tried to gap up, and after, like in the afternoon, we were trying to push up. So we stopped around 14.97, but on Monday we can go up and we can hit that 15.7. So overall the chart looks good. So it went up, came down, and again we are trying to push up. Maybe tomorrow we can push up to 1570. If there is good earning, maybe we will just break the whole trend. And also look at a daily chart. I just want to see the volume on a daily chart. How does it look? Not bad. So there's a big push up, then we are cooling down, and if there's a good earning, then maybe we will push up again. So not bad. So how can we play the earning if you're already in the stock, and if Monday, if the stock does not come down, then there is no point of talking average down. But if the market is red somehow, and if it comes back maybe around 13.9, you can get some more shares to average down. On the other hand, if it goes up, look at the resistance around 15.7 or $16, also like 16.8 and also like 17.8, and the upside is huge. But anyway, my if it goes up to $17-18, I will get out. What about call option? Let's look at the call option. So the earning is on 23rd and the nearest expiry date is on 26th of February. And if you believe the stock can go up to 15.8, just looking at the chart, like 15.7, that's the resistance I'm talking about. So 15.7. So if you take the strike price of 15, your premium is 0.86, so your break even is 15.86. So it's close to the resistance. If you think we can hit that mark, then definitely we will win profit. So let's say tomorrow morning you buy that premium with $86, and if during the day the stock price goes up, then definitely you will make some money. And if somehow the earning is super good, then maybe we can go up to like $18, and your premium will be like, your premium will double. So just looking at the premium, it seems pretty cheap. If you do not want to invest a lot of money, maybe just buy 2 call option, and if tomorrow is a green day, just before the end, you can just sell 1 option and lock the profit and leave another call option to go through the earning. If the earning is bad, if it comes down, then in that case maybe the profit you locked Monday, maybe it will cancel each other. But somehow if the earning is superb, who knows, then maybe like you can go even higher and you can get more benefits. So it's Monday night. I wanted to make this video super quick so that Monday we know what to do with that particular stock. So ticker symbol is M for Macy stock. You can play with share, you can play with call option. Anyway, if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos more often on some charts which are about to give us good profit. So if you want to stay with us and make the journey together, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, my friends, take care. Peace.